Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Snapchat AI on Android. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So the first thing that you want to do is to update your Snapchat app. You need the latest version of the app so that you can use the Snapchat AI. And then after that, what you're going to do is to tap on the chat icon at the bottom. You can see it right here. It will then direct you to the chat page. And then you can see at the top of the chat, My AI. Now just tap on that. So, how to use Snapchat AI? You can ask whatever you want, and it will answer you right away. And that's it. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.